My name is Darci Findley, and I work in the parts department as an auditor. Basically, we pull all of the parts that go out to assembly so that they can build the trucks. And typically what happens is after we pull that, then I will go through and make sure that we have everything that we need before it makes it out onto the floor. It's not a bad environment to work in as a woman at all. I think the men realize that there's change and they're going to see more women in the work field. They're very respectful. We're a team here. Manufacturing has opened up to women, so it's an opportunity that maybe we wouldn't have thought was possible for us. Basically, we're just as qualified and capable of doing the work. So there isn't any reason for us to think that we can't be in this environment and succeed. The people here are wonderful. There's no reason for women not to be in the manufacturing industry.